Hi, Harry. Today we're going to draw the national flag of Denmark. So it has two colors, the red and the white color. The cross is going to be the white color, and the red is going to be on the four sides, four corners, rectangles, and the squares. All right. Okay, so the basic outline, this is complete. Now we're going to put the colors. Let's fill up. The red segments on the right side. All right. So we're putting the red colors to fill up the square blocks here. After the coloring have completed, you can see the white cross is going to be recognized in the middle place. Okay. So the color is all red and the white cross in the middle. This is the flag of Denmark. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse to the playlist. We have lots of sections and categories and so many drawings in different sections. Flag is only one of those sections. So we also have other sections too. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.